is for ample, red and round. B is for bird, flying around. C is for car, zooming away. D is for drum that we love to play. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog that jumps all day. G is for guitar, strum along. H is for house where we belong. I is for insect, tiny and quick. J is for jelly, wobbly and thick. K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. L is for lamp that lights the sky. M is for moon, shining at night. Neil is for nest, cozy and tight. O is for octopus, deep in the sea.